How do you read the Bible? Straight through from Genesis to Revelation? Chronologically? Thematically? One book at a time? Or one chapter? Maybe one word? Christians read Scripture in many ways, but the Daily Office Lectionary in the Book of Common Prayer offers a rhythm that bridges personal devotion and prayer and community with the wider church. Turn to the page for the current week in the liturgical calendar. You might be surprised to see the same week listed twice on facing pages. This is intentional. One side gives the readings for year 1 and the other for year 2 in the Daily Office's 2-year cycle. Odd-numbered years follow year 1, even-numbered years follow year 2. Because the liturgical year begins with Advent rather than January 1st, it takes its number from the year ahead. That means the first Sunday of Advent in 2026 belongs with the 2027 cycle. Once you know which year to use, each week provides a list of daily readings. For each day, the top line gives 2 sets of psalms, morning prayer on the left and evening prayer on the right. The second line gives the scripture readings, an Old Testament reading on the left, an epistle reading in the middle, and a gospel reading on the right. The Book of Common Prayer provides readings for both morning and evening, with the gospel typically read in the evening in year 1 and the morning in year 2. But these are guides, not rigid rules. At your discretion, the readings may be reordered, lengthened, combined, or omitted. If you do follow the full cycle, you will read most of the Bible in 2 years. Not all of it appears in the Daily Office, though. Some are used elsewhere in the Sunday Lectionary, and editions vary, especially in their treatment of the Apocrypha and Revelation. If those differences matter to you, this may be your time to start learning Greek. The Book of Common Prayer includes a Psalter, but for the other readings you'll need to use a Bible. You may also read your Psalms there, if you prefer. Because the readings continue in order from day to day, a Bible with multiple bookmarks can be especially handy. This is flexible. If one reading gives you enough to sit with or inspires you to draw, write, or call someone, that is a good and faithful use of this time. The point is not to try to do everything, but to begin, or to begin anew.